Okay, moving on to the next tutorial. This is for adding a subcategory. Now, the theme of this whole exercise is just for cars. So what I've done is I've added in Alpha, Audi, Bedford and BMW. Now you can let this stretch. Every time you put in a new category, this box gets bigger. So you can put in all your categories first, and then you can put in your subcategories, and then you can add your products, or you can do one at a time depending on which way you want to work it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a subcategory to Audi. Okay, so I'm going to call it A4, Audi A4. Just say for instance I'm going to add an image and a bit of text, and you will notice then this button then will change from this icon to a plus icon. Okay, and I'll show you that now. So you just go into add a new category, and then you will notice then when you come up on the screen, if you add a new category you leave that blank, you leave it in where it is, but we want to put in a subcategory into Audi. So we click on Audi and we call it Audi A4. Now I'm not going to do any of the SEO work, but that can be done here. Again, you will see the meta keywords which I described earlier on, and the header. So it's just going to be called Audi A4. So I'm just going to call it that. And if we want to go in again with more subcategories, we can do that here. So just tick that box. I'm not going to bother with an image. I'm not going to bother with anything like that. I'm going to save the changes. Now we've got a subcategory in on Audi. You refresh the page. Now you will notice that that has changed now from an Audi, the different icon. Now I click on that, I've got an Audi A4. And again we can put in a subcategory in here, and it can be Audi A4 red, Audi A4 blue, and so forth and so forth. And basically that's about the height of it, and I'll show you this here now. If I go into Google, I will show you how my websites do. So, and this is how good my website is. Because I type in Qtell, I don't have to type in all the words, and this is the same all over the world. So I just type in Qtellwholesale, and there she is there. 2090 results for it. Click on it and see the way how it looks in Google, and this is how your SEO will look. Now you will notice my categories coming up here on the left, and there we have it there. So I can go into different categories and different things all the time, and people can search them. See the way I've done different categories in here? And that's the way it's done there. And every time someone opens them, the box expands out, and same for each one. All different categories, and that's how you put in your categories. And you can put it in as many as you want, and you can have them on the left or the right, it doesn't matter. So once you have that done, it's successful. This is what you'll be left with. Okay, new product category has been successfully created. So that's you got it 100% there now, and that's your categories. I'm only going to just do these 4 and just to show you what it's like. Okay, we'll move on to the next one.